Hi, my name's Brian. I'm the owner of Granite State Epoxy. We are in Windham, New Hampshire today working on putting down an epoxy floor for our customer with a 3-bay garage. We get asked a lot, why do I want an epoxy floor in my garage? Well, we can go ahead and tell you why. Over the course of the 11 years, we've installed floors to cover up stains, to repair concrete, and truthfully, just to make the garage a part of your home. Reclaim that space. By putting in an epoxy flooring system by Granite State Epoxy, we will do just that. For this project, our customer chose the traditional epoxy flake look. It's a gorgeous floor, has a number of different colors in it to give it a unique blend-in look that should last for many years to come. Our process starts with doing repair work, doing a mechanical grinding of the floor to make sure that the epoxy will stick to the floor without any issues. So the mechanical process removes debris, removes any latencies that may be on top of the concrete, so that way we can get the proper bond of the epoxy to the concrete. For the past 11 years, we have been New Hampshire's go-to epoxy flooring team. We've seen a lot of different repairs that have been required. We've seen a lot of different types of concrete. We've been able to put down a lot of different styles. We have a variety of colors and finishes to match the finish of your home. With the number of options that are available to you, installations take anywhere from 1 to 3 days, depending upon the system that you're looking for. We do commercial, we do residential, so if you're looking for an epoxy flooring system to be put down and installed by the best team in New Hampshire, give us a call today to schedule an appointment for us to evaluate your floor and provide you with a free quote.